Hello, my cherished viewers. Thank you for your time today. Today, I'm about to talk about the cash benefits to fund unforeseen losses. This is basically an insurance presentation. The cash benefits to fund unforeseen losses. The outline of my presentation is going to be impact of our activities, addressing pandemic issues, becoming an insurance policyholder, recommending insurance. Before I continue, I'd like you to hit the like button, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video to your family and friends, and also tell them to refer it to others too. Like the video and share, and comment after watching the video, and I'll reply you. Thank you for subscribing and liking. Now let's continue with the insurance presentation. The cash benefits to finance your future losses. The cash benefits to fund unforeseen losses and risks in future. Have you wondered why many people face financial challenges when a risk occurs in their life or business? Does people or owners of small and medium enterprises operate without any future provisions for accidental losses? What contingency plan does government, individuals, and entrepreneurs have in place during economic recession periods? Hospitalization, eradicate the outbreak of highly infectious diseases. Life cover, government declares a state of emergency announcement during COVID-19 pandemic period. The idea of taking insurance policy is very important, and people must take critical decisions to take insurance policy and to benefit them in future. Impact of our activities. Impact of our activities. The claims received by policyholders enables them to finance the cost of unforeseen risks or accidental future losses. But life in general is unpredictable. Our daily personal activities and business projects cause effects and impacts on our daily welfare. The unhygienic community practices, problems of waste disposal, effects of waste management, psychological depression, environmental pollution, land degradation, unsustainable environmental practices pose economic challenges. The improper disposal of waste makes living organisms get infected with the exposure of toxic waste materials. The negative effects of disputes, conflicts, civil wars, and international wars have posed negative effects on our economic ecosystems and on our entire economies. So we can clearly observe that our recent democratic government era have really transformed our various economies globally, irrespective to all the economic sectors, as compared to the previous autocratic military or monarchy regimes that destabilized the economy. This led to our past economic crunches and immense hardships. The exposure of chemicals, toxics, and explosives of mass destruction affects consumable forest animals, livestock, agriculture, cash crops, and plants. And mankind goes to the far forest to hunt these infected animals, and farmers go to plants and harvest on the toxic land or polluted lands. Vendors sell the food ingredients and bushmeat at market centers for many people to buy and take home to consume or cure diseases. The waste cycle shows that our toxic waste infectious goes far around and comes back to us to affect our bodies through the infected foods, meats, water, and drinks that we consume and pollute the air we breathe. By statistics, the occupational risk causes high rates of accidents, sickness, injuries, and fatalities at workplaces. Addressing the pandemic issues. No, when talking about addressing pandemic issues, greenhouse effects and problems of climate change really affect mankind. The various stakeholders must collaborate their efforts with a common goal to curb such challenges, which mankind and other living organisms face in this world. The government has had a contingency fund. The government needs a contingency fund, competent expertise, adequate facilities and tools before they declare a state of emergency in the country. The right medical experts and frontline workers must be hired and taxed to deliver critically during the outbreak of infectious diseases. The right safety measures must be put in place in all the communities, organizations, enterprises, homes, and the social meeting centers within the metropolitan places, the municipal areas, and the district assemblies. Regular testing must be enforced in all suburbs, cities, and communities nationwide. To alert people on their health status and educate them to improve on their immune system. To alert people on their health issues and status, educate them to improve on their immune system, and help teach them to exercise regularly. Ensure contact tracing to monitor the health of recovered people. Becoming insurance policy holder. Train the people well to practice well and safety precautions. Becoming insurance policy holder. You need to think critically to have an insurance plan. Train the people well to practice the health and safety precautions in all the suburbs, communities, and in all cities nationwide. The benefits of insurance must be emphasized in regular financial plans. Mankind should sign up for insurance policy. Immediately he or she gets a reputable job. New business starters and owners of small and medium enterprises must sign up to cover their business assets and operations. In cases of economic recession, sometimes economic recession affects your business, or when a policyholder becomes unemployed, the person becomes affected. The insurance company will listen to your issues and give you some break relief if you get unemployed or your business stops as a result of fire outbreak or low customer patronage. The insurance company can give you time and relief to go and prepare yourself, get a job, strengthen your business, and when your money is financially smooth, you start and continue paying your premiums. The insurance company will listen to your issues and give you some time and some break relief. Time will be given to the policyholder to find a new job and continue to pay premiums. Mankind must formulate key strategic plans, set up provisions towards the life expectancy years before pension time catches them. Taking insurance policy. Make plans towards your retirement plan, pension, and consider their personal spending. Every stakeholder needs insurance policy, but many have closed their ears towards the idea of taking insurance products. They do not even want to hear about funeral or life policy, which influences them, which makes them reject life planners or insurance agents every time. These same people face financial challenges in getting cash to finance or fund future losses, finance funeral expenses, accidents, unforeseen losses or risks in future. When they experience accidental risks or losses in reality, the claims they receive will serve as cash benefits to fund the costs incurred and losses. Government must ensure the national health insurance activities to cover the hospitalization claims. Authorities must ensure citizens are well educated about the pandemic, COVID-19, and other infectious diseases affecting us in our daily lives, and each year, each decade. Ensure people follow and use the prescribed safety and equipment and tools announced by the right health authorities in health issues. People, entrepreneurs, and owners of small and medium enterprises must take insurance cover on hospitalization. Hospitalization covers are need and essential. This will cover them in cases of occupational risks, accidental sicknesses, and disease outbreak. Recommending insurance. I recommend insurance to everybody watching this video. Also refer insurance to your family and friends and your business partners. Tell them to recommend insurance to other people too, and tell them to also take insurance policy and insurance cover. Register and get signed and start paying their premiums to benefit in future. Life policy is very essential. Everybody, including all stakeholders, must take life assurance policies. This will enable the family members of the deceased persons to receive claims and be indemnified. This will serve as a source of finance to fund their funeral, burial, and other expenses that will be incurred after the demise of the policyholder. People can insure their personal properties under automobile cover, burglary cover, freight and shipping cover, and transportation covers, and other relevant covers that are needed as time goes on. People must plan their life and take insurance policy and become educational policy holder, family income protection policy holder. Organizations can insure their company, insure the assets and investments of their company. Practicing from what's above means the people will no longer face financial problems in future, or in case any unforeseen accident happens in future, they will be covered and they will get money to cushion them. Their claims can give them some money to cushion their life and their businesses. People will receive claims to fund the costs incurred as a result of accidental risks and losses. Owners of small and medium enterprises will be covered when the unforeseen occupational risks, sicknesses, and losses happen, because they have some claims to cushion their life and their businesses. Government will set up contingency fund and get the necessary facilities, tools, and competent experts to contribute during economic recession periods caused by disease outbreak like COVID-19 or any other infectious diseases. Working as a life planner in an insurance company gives you the opportunity to network with new clients, business partners, family members, and friends. So I'll urge people who are the youth to sign in to insurance companies, urge the youth to apply to insurance companies to get jobs to do and start practicing as life planners, and also get insurance cover for themselves too, because it's very essential to them too, and recommend to others too. Build stronger relations with people and organizations. If you work with an insurance organization, you will build strong relations with people and organizations. You will acquire more commissions, you gain exposure, develop emotional intelligence and teamwork skills. But rejection should be perceived to be encountered on the fields of works. Thank you all for listening to my insurance presentation. If you have any comments, you can hit the like button and type the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Subscribe to this nice YouTube channel. Watch my videos frequently. Ask me questions by commenting and I'll answer them for you. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like my video and share to your family, and friends, and business partners. Thank you once again for watching and subscribing and liking my video, and for sharing. Thank you. Bye bye.